Hello and welcome to Encryption, the tech tips and tutorials channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to use production uploads or media in a WordPress website's local or staging environment. That means I will have the WordPress website set up on the local or staging environment without the uploads or media files. I'll connect the local or staging environment to the production environment just for media files such as images or videos and so on. I hope you have now got what we will achieve. So let's get started. Here I have set up the website in my staging environment without the uploads stuff, since the uploads directory is very large in size, that is approximately 25 GB. So we can see the images are missing on the staging environment. Also, if I right click anywhere on the page, here click on the inspect and click on the console tab, we can see a lot of four errors. Failed to load resources. I want to get the images loaded on the site, but I don't want to clone the uploads directory to my staging. Instead, I want to connect the production environment for uploads only. This is the production site. The easiest and the most straightforward way to achieve our goal is by using a plugin. So log in to the CMS dashboard. Go to the plugins section. Hover over it and click on the add new. Also in the new tab, open the plugin downloads link. You can search for the plugin on Google with its name, B Media. Then click on the download button. Save the plugin zip file on a location of your computer. Go back to the dashboard and click on the upload plugin button. Here click on the choose file button. Click on the plugin file from the location that you have saved it and click on the install now button. After the plugin is installed, activate it. Okay, the plugin is activated now. For further process, you can visit the plugin page and click on the installation. Here you get the documentation of the plugin. But for now, you don't need to take care of the installation document, but you can follow me. I'm showing you step by step. Moving on, go to the document root of your local or staging site and open wp-config.php file with any text editor such as VS Code or any other. If you are comfortable with command line text editors such as VI or VIM, you can edit the file with them. However, you should open the wp-config.php file. Then you need to add or define directory as I do here. But you will need to replace the URL with your production site URL. Finally, save the file and verify if you could achieve your goal. As you can see, the staging site is loaded with images from the production site. Also, if you right click on inspect and click on console, you will not see any 404 errors that state the image could not be loaded. There may be a few other 404 errors of JavaScript file not loaded or something like this, but you will get all your media being used from your production site. Okay guys, this is how we can use images or other media of a production environment in the local or staging environment without cloning them. I hope the tutorial was useful to you. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you on other videos. Till then, have a wonderful time. Goodbye.